welcome back to today's tutorial. Thanks for always stopping by, my returning subscribers. So if you are seeing this face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel, alright? And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, okay? I won't take that for granted, seriously. So guys, on this channel what I do is DIY, tie your gele yourself. So if you are interested in such, you can actually hit on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, follow my page for more headwrap tutorials. Alright, so guys, today I'll be needing my donut bond. This is ear bond, we call it donut bond. I don't know if it has another name where you are watching me from, but this is called donut bond where I am. Alright, so I'm using this, and I also need my lycra material, guys. So we're getting started now. Here is it. You can get, when you get your material, you just this is, I've shared it into two equal parts. All right, so I'm just going to, I want to make one part longer than the other. I think this should be okay. Yeah, so I'm stopping here, and the next thing I'm going to do, guys, I'll be picking up my donut bond, right, and then I'll be inserting it. I'll spread it out, this shorter part I will spread it out, like this. Then I'll be using my my donut bun. I'll be putting it in. Hope you can see, don't mind this explanation. No, I used to tell you, so just watch, focus your eye. So I've inserted it at the middle. This is covered and this is covered as well. So I'll dip my hand inside like this. I want to bring that little one, that hole, I'm pulling it down, right? So this is it. I've pulled it out. Okay, pull it out well, pull it out well, right? So I'm done with that. Then I'm holding it. See, I'm holding it like this. Then get it covered again, just to show you. That's why I raise it. So this is it. Then I wrap it up. Yeah, it's time to wrap up. So you pick it with the one you drop inside, you pick it like this, and like this. Okay guys, so like that, that's just it. I just need to form that roundish shape. Okay, so this is what we have now. I'm picking my elastic band, that's my rubber band. I don't have brown color, so I'm going for this. And if you had hair band, you can also use it. You pick it up, you see, you just pick it like that, then you use your band to, you know, wrap and secure what you've picked up. Wrap it, hope you can see, and drop it. So it is tightening up and secured, right? So what I'm going to be doing now is just to place this on my head. Okay, place it on your head like this. Okay, and you pleat this side, this small one. You can take any of the parts, but I prefer to take this smaller one first. Just like you are pleating, just take it like that. Then you take it to the back. Okay, take it to the back and place it right there. Okay, and for this place, pick it like this. Okay, oh wow, pick it, pick it, pick it. Okay, and this is going underneath. Go underneath, you place this on it. We're coming back for adjustments anyways. Place this underneath, and you place that big one, this longer part on it. I'll adjust it later. Okay, it's simple. So this goes like this. See, so guys, you're just going to drop it like this. If you like, you can take it one more time, but I'm not taking it. I just decide to do what, to roll it. Hope you can see, just twist it, I mean, or roll it, whichever way it is. Then you take it round, this place, take it round, tuck it in, let it get secured. Okay, and you come back for, if there is any adjustments, anything, just come back for it like this. Okay, like this, my cap is showing, I want it in, so I'm putting it in. Then like this. And this one, I want to cover it up. You can just bring out a little like this, and from the other side too, and you cover it, and you're done. Boom, boom, guys. Here is the head wrap, guys. Okay, see, look at the back. See me. So, like, share, subscribe, follow my page for more head wrap tutorials like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care and do enjoy yourself.